Yes, sir. We got it locked and loaded. Everything going here. It's time to slide. Get on the freeway. We done finally made it to the dirt, man. He's back there asleep. We done knocked out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. We done finally have everything locked and loaded. Everything out here at El Mirage. We out here going up, man. About to make the best out of it. We got the RV finally out of the yard with everything we need. Got the bikes finally out. You okay? Had to just offload everything. Got it going. Got the heater on here so it can warm up. But we good, man. That's why I be glad I get to take care of the RV, because now it get to take care of me. Yes, sir, man. Okay. Got the sun coming down. We're about to stay the night to tomorrow. So we good. A lot of people heading out. And that was the problem. I couldn't get me a good enough spot like I wanted to over there, but now we emptied out. It's a lot much space all around here, everywhere. But we looking good though, man. Definitely looking good. Yes, sir. It's time to slide. Ready to slide? Yeah, they going home. It's okay. We got our second home, baby. One extra block, then we got some other little ones. It's so funny, I got on the side of the house, I got enough wood for forever, but I don't want to. It's cold out there. You okay? Just clean up your toys. It's time to slide, man. You alright up in there? Yes, sir, man. It's time to slide, y'all. We done had a good night. Got everything going. Got little dude. It's cold as hell. And they was out here wilding last night. I'm like, man, they was so packed everywhere. But we got a good view and had a good little time. So today, we about to load up and get to the hen house, man. We got to take these jacks up off of there. Put the bikes back inside. Clean up and organize this stuff real quick, but we got it going, man. Got the truck warming up. Stay tuned. Our wood is gone. The wood is gone. Oh, we gotta hit the light. Still got a few people out here. It's crazy. Ooh, it's cold out here, boy. Hey, this generator is a tough guy to show. This thing been running since I got here yesterday at like 3 or 4. Still running. Still have not ran out of gas. Still got half a tank. Unbelievable. Y'all see it. It's crazy. So it's time to load up. I'm glad nobody stole nothing from me. We got everything still out here, huh, Ace? Yes, sir. We about to load up and get to the house. Had a cool little trip for the kids. Looking good though. That's the crazy part. Yes, sir. We about to load up, y'all. To slide, y'all. They still out here. Got everything loaded. Yes, sir. The sun coming out, but it's time to go.